How to hide view count on Instagram Reels. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, let's learn how to hide the view count on Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. If you haven't updated it yet, watch my video on how to update Instagram. The video link is in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once updated, open Instagram on your device. You will land on the home page. Tap on the circle with a profile picture at the bottom. Then tap on the Reels tab available at the bottom. As you can see, I am currently able to see the view count for all my uploaded Reels. Let's hide it. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Scroll down a bit. Under the For Professionals section, you will see the option for Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it. Over here, you will see the option for view counts on profile. Tap on it. As you can see, the feature is currently turned off, which is why we were able to see the view count. If you turn this feature on, no one including you will see view counts on the Instagram Reels tab. Tap on the toggle button to turn on this feature. Once turned on, tap on the back arrow until you reach your Instagram profile. And there you have it. You have successfully hidden the view count on Instagram Reels. Please keep in mind that this feature of hiding view count on the Instagram Reels tab is available only for professional or business accounts. If you are using a personal account, then you will need to switch to a professional or business account to access this feature. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.